In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 10 to the power of 6 in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a scientific presentation, a math lesson, or any other document where you need to express numbers in exponential format, mastering the art of displaying numbers correctly can significantly enhance your presentation's clarity and professionalism. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into the straightforward yet powerful process of creating superscript numbers in PowerPoint. The first step in this process is quite naturally opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. Whether you have it pinned to your taskbar located on your desktop, or you need to search for it in your computer's program list, go ahead and open it up. Upon launching PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where all your recent files are displayed, and where you can create a new presentation. However, for our purposes today, we'll be working on an existing document. Navigate through your list of recent files, or use the Open option to locate the file you want to work on from your computer's storage. Once you find your file, click to open it. With your file open, you're ready to move on to the text or number you wish to format. In our case, we're focusing on the number 10, wanting to express it in the power of 6 format. To do so, highlight the number 6 inches, because that's the part of the number we'll be turning into a superscript, which is the tiny number written above the normal line of text. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab if you're not already there. The Home tab is like the control center of PowerPoint, where you can find most of the tools you'll need for general editing and formatting. Within the Home tab, direct your attention to the Font group. The Font group is where all text appearance settings are adjusted, including typeface, size, style, color, and what we're interested in today, the superscript function. In the font group, you'll notice a small arrow in the bottom right corner. This is often referred to as the font dialog box launcher. Clicking this arrow will open a window with more detailed font options than what's visible directly on the ribbon. This is where the magic happens. Within the font settings window, look for the effects section. You'll find several options here, but the one we're concerned with is superscript. Next to superscript, you'll see a checkbox. Go ahead and check this box. What this does is raise the selected number or text, in our example the number 6, above the normal text line, and shrinks it down to a smaller size, indicating that it's an exponent or power. Once you've checked the superscript box, simply press OK to apply the change. Instantly you'll see that the number 6 inches is now formatted as a superscript, giving you the expression 10 to the power of 6 inches exactly as needed for your presentation. At this point you might be thinking, that's all there is to it? Yes indeed. The process is straightforward, but the impact of using correct mathematical notation in your presentations cannot be overstated. It adds an air of professionalism, helps avoid confusion, and ensures that your audience can easily follow along with complex data or formulas. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick additional tips to remember. This same process can be used not only for numbers, but for any text you wish to format as a superscript or subscript, which is the opposite, making the text appear slightly below the normal line. Additionally, if you find yourself frequently needing to use superscript or subscript, PowerPoint has keyboard shortcuts that can speed up your workflow. However, exploring and getting comfortable with the font dialog box is beneficial since it gives you more control over text formatting. Creating presentations that accurately convey your message includes paying attention to details like using correct mathematical expressions. Now that you know how to write 10 to the power of 6 or any other number in superscript in PowerPoint, you're equipped to enhance the professionalism and clarity of your slides further. And that's all there is to it. With this skill in your toolkit, you're ready to tackle any presentation that comes your way. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the content, but how effectively and clearly you can present that content to your audience. Happy presenting,